Here's how to delete your Facebook account in 2026. Now, I have my iPhone and my Android here. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it because it looks a little different depending on which device you're on. Now, if you wanted to delete your account, first we need to get to your settings. On the iPhone, you can see the menu button at the bottom right. However, some people might see 3 lines at the top left there. So tap on the menu at the bottom right or at the top left. On Android, tap on the 3 lines at the bottom right. From here, on both devices, scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Settings at the top on iPhone and Android. From here, tap on where it says See More in Account Center on your iPhone and Android. Scroll down from here, and at the bottom, tap on Manage Accounts. Manage Accounts, and then tap on Manage next to your Facebook account. From here, tap on Deactivation or Deletion midway down, and in this case, we want to choose Delete Your Account, which is permanent. Tap the Continue button at the bottom, and you can just say whatever you want on here. I'm just going to say I need a break and hit Continue. Now, it will say, hey, do you want to deactivate instead? But I'm going to choose no, continue with deletion. From here, it will suggest that you might want to keep your Messenger account and you might want to download your content. After you've read through that, tap on continue at the bottom. And then just enter in the password. If you don't know the password, you can see it auto-fills it, or you can just tap on the little paper clip here to auto-fill that password for your Facebook account, and then you will have permanently deleted it. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too, and thanks for watching.